Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Ken Ochilo, and today is a good day. I just want to inform you that we have finally come to an end to the phase one of the project that we had in Kisumu County, Sondu to be specific. And so far I think we have finalized a bit of the major work, and we are waiting for the second phase of this, and the second phase will come maybe later, maybe after two months, I think so. And I just want to show you what we have done so far, and give you a bit of the tour into what we are doing or what we have done. And if you've been a friend to this channel, I think you've been following up step by step what we have been doing, and where we have left it now. And I just want to show you a quick video of what we have done, though it's not going to be clear because it's in the evening, and I think the lights is not that perfect. So I will just show you a bit of it, and maybe later I'll also do a proper video after we have done everything else. So if you've been around and you've been following my videos in the previous video, or even if you have not, you are new into this channel, maybe you can just check the previous video about this house. This is the one-bedroom house which is located in Kisumu County. We had been doing some renovation. I don't know if to call it renovation or maybe finishing, because it had not been it was left at a certain point, and we were just doing the finishing work, though you can see that the how do we call that, the iron sheets are not that good. They have been they can show different colors, and we have not worked on that. That one we'll work on it later. It has really faded off. Most of them have faded off because it was a gray in color, but now you can see it, some areas are dark, some areas are a bit brighter. So that's what some companies can do to you. But now we have not we have worked on the other areas. So this one, I'm going to pin the code of this color. This is the rough and tough, so I'm going to give it I'm going to pin the code there so that you can see. Maybe if you are interested, you can go and do it. And also I'm also going to pin the paint color or the code of the color we have used in the interior part of it. So what we did here, I think you can see there is an area with a bit of white. So we, for better results when doing the rough and tough, so when you're doing that, it's good if you do undercoat. So that one, what we did there, so for a better result, so that if you can remember, this wall was really gray, and that could not give us the better result. So for when you are doing that, if you do applied, they can slip, and they can find where they stick, so they cannot peel off that easily. So that's the reason why you have to do an undercoat while doing the rough and tough. And I think you can see it compared to how it was before. It is better now. So let me just take you inside and see what we have done so far. And you can see the color we have here. This color, it's almost matching with what we have outside, and also it's almost matching with the tiles. So we wanted it that way, so that because the area is they have red soil, so red soil and So we have also done the ceiling skimming and also the paint part of it. The paint work we have done inside in all the walls and also in the ceiling. And I think the paint, you can also tell me in the comment there. I think it really came out very nice, because in part of the kitchen you see it's white, and when you come in this side it's almost cream. So that I think give it a good blend for distinction between the kitchen and also the sitting room. So there's a bit of some few things that we will do, like the cooker has not been installed, that one will be due later, and also the hood has not been installed, that one also will be done in the future. And it is on our operation already, as you can see. And the sink also we have done there, we have given it a black color on the top, and the handles are also black and the cabinets are white. So just wanted to match the handles and the granite, and that's why we decided that, because it was not supposed to be all white. The white color was just to give it so that it can appear to be a wide house. So if you do all the dull colors, then the house will look smaller than how it was supposed to look. And also we have also given the frames. You can see we have also painted them. That's a dark mahogany. It's a stained mahogany. Oh, so it's not that clear, but it doesn't come out very nice like the real mahogany, but it's better that way than if you left it the way it was before. And let me check you to. So here we are going to. This is the toilet. So this one will be fixed later, not now. Even the plumbing system have been done in place, and also remaining just facing those ones, and also the washing area also we have done the tilings, everything else, apart from maybe doing the plumbing or maybe fixing the shower, the head shower, and other things. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and I think maybe you can see as well how it was looking like before. And the colors are just perfect. I think the colors are just perfect. So you can compare this. There's no light. The light is not that well, so it doesn't show everything how it should look like. But again, as I promised, I will also do a better video for this. And also in the windows, we have also given them a bit of a better look than before. Though in future we are going to remove all this, because they were done very poorly. We just painted them for the time being so that it doesn't look that shawty. So you can see it's not done. It was not done that good. So those one in the future, in the next phase, we are going to remove all those things and give it a better look, and do the parties in the correct way. So this one is not good. It doesn't show out good. And also the grills also, you can see they have also been given a better look now, because we have painted them all black. And also look at the edge of those windows. So the angles are really now okay, because we really worked on those areas. So let me show you the lower parts of it. So this is the lower part. This is how it looks like from this end, and we'll also do a paint on the roof, and also we'll remove all the gutters and redo them better. Remember, I promised you that I'll show everything, because we are going to do a water tower here. So when we are doing that, the plumbing, everything else, then we'll do all these things. So even these ones we have just done them here temporarily, but we'll relocate these, because we are not supposed to have this here. We are not supposed to have this here. It was done at the wrong place. So this one we'll replace this to the other end. So for at the moment we are just install it here, so that maybe they can use it for a while, as we wait for the time to do everything else. So that's what we are finalizing. So that were the guy doing the rough and tough, and as you can see, it's not it looks so nice, it looks so well. So you guys, this is what we have really done, although we had a bit of a challenge, which is okay in the rural setups. With the challenge we faced is when we were doing this rough and tough, is that getting the rough and tough is a problem here. So it's only one shop which makes the rough and tough, the colors we wanted. So, and the day we went, they didn't tell us that they don't have a variety. So we bought few for the first few. So when we went back, they gave us, but they gave us a different color. So it didn't work out. So we had also to delay just to ensuring that these things. So it took us a bit of time and a bit of maybe investment to get this. So sometimes it's also good to have this from one place, maybe in town, in the city, then you send them home. But also it's good also to promote those who are doing the business in the rural areas. So the challenges are there, even in towns, in the cities, we also face some challenges, but that's a part of the business. So guys, thank you very much for the support. Thank you for being with me and giving me much support. And also, I just want to thank we are coming back to finish this. We have not done the lighting, we have not done the fittings of electrical sockets and everything else. Those ones we have not done. We have not done the plumbing completely. We have not finished up with the plumbing completely. And also there are a lot of, even the exterior we also need to do with all the gutters, and we are also going to do there's a lot of work that we are supposed to be done here. Even in the kitchen we have not completed fully. So when we are back in the next phase, I'll share with you. And also just if you're around and subscribing, and also share this subscribers, thank you very much. And I just want to end this video here, and know we'll see each other in the next video while we are in Nairobi. Otherwise, thank you very much. Bye.